You got anything good to see for the land of YouTube?
Taco shop has the best food in the area in my mind.
Yeah, we're at the taco shop in North Fargo right now. Mr. Polkai.
Oh, onion rings.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Polkai, the Salt Lick. We're at the taco shop. And guess what he ordered? Big old plate of nachos. Doesn't that look good?
Definitely worth it.
What would you think about that? How would you grade that? Is it good?
Excellent.
You like that, huh? And we got some onion rings. Looking good, aren't they?
They always do.
I got me the taco meat grinder. Half a grinder. Yummy. How do you like this?
And honestly, I can see why this has been a local favorite since, I don't remember how long it's been a local favorite.
Got the taco shop here and the bar right across the street.
Yeah, I don't remember which bar that is.
I always get that one and the one in Moorhead confused.
I can't even remember the last time I've been in a bar.
I'm gonna sign off. Got anything else to say before we go?
Peace.